Hello everyone, this is AB Joy Quito, licensed Canadian immigration consultant, and welcome to my channel, Your Immigration Pathway. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hello po mga kababayan, AB Joy Quito po, licensed Canadian immigration consultant, and welcome po to my channel, Your Immigration Pathway. Kung bago lang po kayo sa channel ko, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today we will talk about the new program, Home Care Immigration Pilots. The new Home Care Immigration Pilots is set to open on March 31st, 2025. Note that there will be more information to announce for the full eligibility criteria and how to apply on this immigration pathway. The new pilots are collectively known as Canada's Home Care Workers Immigration Pilots, as per outlined by IRCC. These programs will replace the previous permanent residence PR pathway for caregivers, which have now expired. Under the new initiatives, eligible home care workers will be able to obtain permanent residence upon arrival in Canada. So, who qualifies for these programs? To be eligible for this program, foreign nationals must meet the following criteria: attain a minimum of level 4 based on Canadian language benchmark, have education equivalent to a Canadian high school diploma, possess recent and relevant work experience, receive a full-time job offer for a home care position. For your information, as of June 16, 2024, applicants for previous home care worker immigration programs only needed 6 months of eligible work experience to qualify for permanent residence. I would like to highlight that IRCC has yet to provide full details of this program and how to apply for this pathway. Please keep in mind that this immigration program has a quota. I highly recommend to prepare your application or documents as early as possible. If you have questions regarding this immigration program and if you require our immigration services, please feel free to contact us. Our phone number is 514-574-2480. Our email address is info@immicanada.com. We have a physical office. If you have time, please feel free to drop by. Our address is 4755 Van Horn Avenue, Suite 102, Montreal, Quebec. So mga kababayan, ito na po yung pinakakahintay natin na immigration program para sa mga caregivers. Ang pangalan po ng bagong immigration program na hinihintay natin ay Home Care Immigration Pilots. Ang Home Care Immigration Pilot po ay magbubukas po siya sa March 31st, 2025. Please keep in mind po na hindi pa po ina-announce o hindi pa po nabibigay ang IRCC ng full eligibility criteria ng programa na to at kung paano po mag-a-apply sa program na to. However, mayroon na po tayong mga basic information kung paano po magpa-qualify sa programa na to. Ang Home Care Immigration Pilots po na to, as per IRCC, ito po ang pumalit doon sa mga previous na caregiver program for career pathway na na-expired na po. Dito po sa bagong programa na po na to, ang Home Care Immigration Pilot, magkakaroon po ng oportunidad ang mga qualified na aplikante na maging permanent residents upon arrival po sa Canada. Sino-sino po ang mga qualify sa programa po na to? Unang-una po, ang qualification po sa program na to, kailangan po meron po tayong language test, CLB Level 4 in each ability. Hindi po siya band score, pero in each ability po siya. And second po, kailangan meron po tayong high school education equivalent dito sa Canada, which means ipapa-assess po natin ang ating education sa mga designated institution like yung WES, ICAS, and meron pa pong iba na nagpa-process po ng ECA or Education Credential Assessment na designated po ng Immigration Canada. Kailangan din po merong recent and relevant work experience. And the most important po, meron po dapat job offer from a Canadian employer. Gusto ko lang pong i-point out na ang programa po na to ay Federal Immigration Program, which means po na ang Quebec hindi po kasama dito, and ang employer po dapat na makukuha nyo is dapat outside Quebec. And for your information po, as of June 16, 2024, ang kailangan na lang po na work experience is 6 months work experience po. So, ulitin ko po mga kababayan, ang IRCC po ay mag-a-announce ng eligibility criteria at kung paano mag-apply sa pathway po na to. So, malapit na po silang mag-announce. Watch out lang po para sa kanilang announcement. Kung kayo po ay may further questions regarding sa programa po na to or kailangan niyo po ng ating service, tawag lang po kayo. Ang phone number po namin is 514-574-2480. Ang email po namin is info@imekina.com. Kung malapit lang po kayo sa area, please feel free to pass by. Ang office address po namin is 4755 Van Horn Avenue, Suite 102, Montreal, Quebec. Isang paalala lang po, kung kayo po ay magka-process para po sa inyong permanent resident application para po sa pathway na to, couple of things po. Kung kayo po ay mag-hire ng mga legal representative, make sure po na ang immigration consultant na ma-hire nyo, una-una po of course dapat license. And second is, meron na po silang experience dito po sa mga ganitong klaseng programa. And third, dapat po, meron po silang capacity to send your application. That's it for this video and please stay safe. Thank you.